people. So, we're getting some snow, and you know what that means. It's time for a little drift sesh. Look at that beautiful little beast. Goddamn. By the way, this is all performed on private property. Nothing illegal is going on here.
Nothing.
Don't do this at home. Don't do this on public roads. Yeah. How's that?
Pretty mid.
Not too bad? Sending her sideways or what?
Right.
You got a bit of an exhaust leak there, bud. Oh, fuck. Sounds pretty mean.
Fucking right.
Sounds like a Ford. What are we doing now? I call it in a night or what? I think I'm gonna end up in the ditch soon.
Yeah, me too.
I got a bit of a clunking in the back now.
Fuck.
It's all good. She's falling apart anyways. The old Chevrolet Silverado.
1 week later.
What is going on, people? It's wet, it's raining, and we got no more snow. But here's the plan for today. I gotta get these 2 water skippers fired up, and we're gonna go ripping. Not sure if this one's gonna run. That's what I'm gonna try to figure out right now. I do have to change a spark plug cable because the one that's supposed to be on it is in my hands. So we're gonna get that fixed, put some new plugs in her, and see if she fires up. Got her running, boys. Pulled the plug cable off my old Rev, slapped that on, give her a quick carb cleaning, and the rest was history. She fired right up. Now, let's get them loaded. And we're done. Didn't even struggle. Let's go get my helmet and pick up Dylan. What's going on there, Dylan? Oh, he's not listening.
What's going on?
What's going on?
Sink your sled, that's what's going on.
Let's hope we don't sink it because we don't really have the manpower to get them out right now.
What do you mean? I work out every day.
Yeah, do you?
Yeah, every day.
Since
You
when?
don't see me at the gym with you?
No, I've never seen you there actually. Went and picked up these nice boots from the old Foodland. They're pretty welfare, but they should do the job. I had a nice pair of insulated ones and I don't know what happened to them. You gonna wear those Crocs? Holy fuck, you're all set, eh?
I don't want to get wet, man.
I see that. Apparently there's a creek all the way back there.
We got permission from the owner, so we're good to go.
Yeah, the owner's actually coming with us. Don't go down in the comments saying we're trespassing this time because we're not. We usually are though, but...
Not this time.
All right, boys, we are ready. Hot Dylan's gone. Oh yeah, there's the water. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Let's go. Fuck, I don't know if she's gonna go, boys. Oh, she skits not bad. We almost lost her, boys. She kicked out a little bit. Let me clean you guys off here. Let's go, Dylan, come on! I bet you could get on there and stand on it. I think you should try.
fucking going right through.
Let me zoom this out for a second. Yeah, you could jump on that, Dylan. It's solid, dude. Oh, it's coming towards us. Look at that. I think you can clear that. Dude, I'm coming on. That's getting closer. Look at that. Yo, this thing is clipping, dude. It is, though. Look. I'm flying. Let's try this out. Oh, you fucking bitch. Oh, yeah, this thing's fucking peppy, boys. Oh, there's a rock there. Big ol' rock. I don't want to risk it too much, but you know, wheelies are cool. Fuck, there's a lot of ice chunks in here. This thing's fucking sick, boys. It's too bad it doesn't turn worth shit. Alright, look at this thing. Shouldn't have cut the carbides off.
That's it? You want me to do more? Well, yeah. You gotta make that corner. You were getting closer.
Okay. I didn't think it was that deep on the side. Boys, I thought we were losing it there. I didn't give her enough throttle. Oh, that's not good. Why would I do that? In a hurry. I'm in a hurry to... Gotta pull up the pants, don't want the crack flapping in the wind, you know? This looks sketchy. Oh, there's water up there though. Oh, this is a fucking corner, dude. Too bad there's so many ice chunks in it. Oh! Yeah! Yeah! I thought it was done. You saved it, dude. I saved it. I don't know how you did that. I don't know either. I can't believe it came out. Your whole ass end was underwater. I felt it touch my ass. That was awesome. I'm just gonna try to cut through here. Oh, there's rocks here. Oh no, I can get through here. He's probably gonna sink it on this one, boys. Oh, there's a big rock in there. Yeah, we're ahead and you're starting to fuck up here. Yeah, you almost fucked up twice there. Dude, you were almost in the water there, like. Yeah, dude. I was like, ah, dude, I'm so happy you didn't sing it. Not a chance. Oh, this thing's so tippy, boys. Well, I called that a successful day, Dylan.
Yeah, my ass got wet, but we're good.
We're gonna end it here. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next motherfucking video. Peace! Oh, there it is. There's the nub.